How to change currency on Google Flight? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can change the currency on Google Flight. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. You're going to learn to do this both in the computer, in your laptop, and into your mobile. So here in your computer, what you must do is go into Google Flights. That's basic. And you just have to scroll down until you find these three different options: your language, location, and currency. If you want to change the currency, just click there, and there you're gonna find a lot of currencies around the world. You just have to select it. Let's suppose I wanna go with the US dollar. Click on OK. The page is gonna reload, and now the prices are gonna be in US dollars. Now, if you're into your mobile, you must go into Google Flights, and there you're gonna find the same page. Probably you have begun to scroll down, and there's your currency. Okay, it's the same process. You just have to tap there, select your currency, click on OK, and the page is gonna reload. Sometimes that button is not gonna appear there. Just click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and there you're going to get a new menu. There, as you can see, at the end of this menu, you can change your language, currency, location, and some more options. So again, you just have to click or tap into change currency, and there you have the different currencies around the world. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can change the currency on Google Flights. Thanks for watching.